What is up?
What's up, team?
We are in the van to the grocery store. It's about to get
110 degrees
amazing.
out right now. Not
110, humid as it possibly can be.
It's not humid.
It's terrible.
It's 94.
I'm
So
so
we'll keep you posted on what happens at the grocery store. All right, we got some groceries. We're here with Hunter and Kate.
How's everyone doing?
Yo.
We're
We got our
just
groceries in here.
You wanna show them what we got, Seabass?
Yeah.
Where are the
And this one, this is goldfish and a big Gatorade. That's my Gatorade. We're splitting the goldfish.
Yep.
And in here, we got lots of stuff. We got toothpaste for Seabass. We got shaving cream for the legs. Oh, that's okay. We got some bars, some snacks, 2 water bottles so that we can use Mio and he can use mine. We got fruit snacks. Somewhere in here are scissors.
Yeah, the scissors are in there somewhere.
Okay.
Gatorade and chocolate milk.
Gatorade and chocolate milk.
All right,
That is impressive.
peace out. We're ready for this meet. What's up? We're getting ready
Hey, vlog.
to eat at the spaghetti factory. It's going to be legit.
Seabass, what are you planning on getting?
I don't know, man. I think the pizza's pretty good.
Dude, fettuccine alfredo all the way.
Yeah.
Chicken fettuccine.
I agree. All right, yo, we'll see you there. What is up? Good morning. Ready for another day. We're gonna go cheer on the distance swimmers today. It's going to be awesome. You ready?
I'm ready. First day of like meet.
Oh, yeah.
Second day of being in California. It's lit.
Let's go check out the pool. Yo, we're here at the pool.
What's up, Seabass?
Clovis North.
Clovis North.
Here's the warm-up pool right in there. And here, competition pool. It's looking pretty cool in there.
super nice.
Oh yeah, it's a very nice pool.
Super nice pool.
Yeah,
Looks great.
we're ready for some cheering. Day 1. Yo, we got our shirts. We're done with session
kidding, I didn't get a
1.
shirt.
We're done with session 1, but we got
Guys,
we got
I
fresh
didn't get a
here.
shirt. I'm broke.
So
Can
yeah,
I? That's a rip. I'm broke.
it's all right. We'll get a shirt tomorrow, and it'll be amazing. You're over here getting some shirts here too. Let's take a look at your shirt, Andres. That is looking clean. Yeah, that's a clean shirt. So we're in the grocery store now. After what night is it? Tuesday night. And he's doing great so far. we're definitely outsiders right now. Yep. So I'm gonna get some sushi, and yeah, it's gonna be a party.
Tristan, what do you think of the outfit?
We're done with session 1, all the cheering of the distance events. So it's time to go to bed. But first, we have to brush our teeth. Yep. Hello. Oops. We're ready to start day number 2. You ready, Hunter, for day number 2?
Day number 2.
Yeah.
It's gonna be lit.
Let's do this.
A little bit tired. Gotta eat some eggs and pancakes to wake up, feel the vibe.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta get ready for this day. Yeah, see you at the pool. So, prelims are over. Gavin.
Hype it up.
Yeah,
We're heading back to the bus.
yeah, heading back to the bus. Freestyle was iffy, but I turned it around and dropped a second from a month ago in my 2 breasts.
Freaking second.
Yeah. Yo. We're hanging our legs, getting that blood out, get some new blood into the legs, getting ready for 2 breast and 2 fly.
Hey.
So, yeah, pretty psyched.
This 2 breasts.
I am so psyched for this 2 breast. I am going to go a best time for sure. And what about you, Hunter?
Oh, I'm super stoked.
Yeah.
Yeah. First finals in the meet.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. Hopefully, we'll get some good times and some awesome, spectacular swims. There is no word to describe the hype level
Anna, so you try to take
that we're having right now.
Mediocre could be better.
No, we're hype. We're so ready for this. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be super lit.
I sleep for like 2 hours.
Let's go. Come on, Chase, go. Go, come on.
When's Justice?
Do it for the gram.
Justice, or I soak
Let's
you
go.
with ice cold water.
Come on, Chase.
I don't appreciate it.
Come on, buddy, jump the fence. Let's
Bye,
go.
Chase.
All right, so today was a very good day. Very exciting. Cheering all the swimmers on. So, yes. I don't know why we sprinted.
Why did
either.
we sprint?
So, two breasts went really well.
Yeah, I did.
Drop time.
Yeah, I did.
100, 200 fly.
That
200
went
fly
well, too.
went very well too.
Oh, I'm wet.
It makes you wet.
Freaking McMahon. Oh my gosh.
McMahon, you're a part of
You
the
wanna
vlog
get
now.
with me? We're vlogging. Yeah.
I was
Wait,
on
you want
it.
to take a Titanic pose real quick? T-pose.
That's very cute. Very cute. All right, so we're gonna go eat some dinner now. We'll see you later.
Team dinner.
Team dinner.
It's day 3 of swimming. Day 4 in Cali. We're ready for another day of the meet.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm a little tired, but I'll have my wake up swim and I'll feel better.
Yeah. Warm up. All right. Let's go. Let's do this. Another day. Another amazing swimming day.
All right,
What's up, team?
we're not swimming today, so we're gonna cheer on everybody.
Yay.
It's about to get amazing in here.
Hey, wait. You guys need to watch me Kobe this water bottle into the trash.
Oh my God, no, that cancer. Yo, we're
What's
done
up,
with the
guys?
400 IM.
Welcome
It is
back to the vlog.
blazing hot outside.
My feet are on fire.
Yeah, we're gonna go get some water now.
And then we have some relays.
Oh yeah, relays and some time
Super fast
trials.
Relays. My feet are really hot.
All right, so yeah, really good 400 IM. Getting some water here too. All right, see you later. See you later, Columbus North. All right, we are going into
The doghouse
The
girl.
doghouse.
I don't
The
know what
doghouse.
it's called.
Yeah. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. I'm feeling it.
Here we are.
Doghouse grill. Oh
Doghouse Grill. Say hello to the vlog.
Seabass, I love
What's
you.
up, vlog? Welcome back to the vlog.
Hey, you're hopping on my
Hey.
You're getting on my back.
Hey. Chase, you've been in the vlog enough.
Get it?
All right, into the doghouse.
Look at how good these ribs look.
So this is a vlog. Oh my goodness.
Look at it. We made it to the beach.
I'm kind
We
of
did it.
debating if I can break Chase's nose without getting the kick off. By accident, I like that.
Let's go catch up to Charlie and Jackson.
Tired.
Parachute guy, all burnt and fried, and everything in between. But it's okay because